Restoring your turf to its original beauty. Now that we understand why turf fibers fall over, let's talk about the most effective solutions available for restoring your artificial turf. We're going to talk about the Fiber Lift. This product was developed for one reason, to solve one of the biggest complaints. My turf doesn't look like it did when it was new. If you've ever walked outside and looked at your turf and thought it looks tired, it looks flat, it looks worn, it doesn't have that fresh installed appearance anymore, then this is for you. Most artificial turf doesn't lose its appearance because it's old. It loses its appearance because it's compressed. And there is a massive difference between those two things. The day your turf was installed, let's go back to the installation day. The crew just finished. The turf looks incredible. The fibers are standing tall. Everything looks lush. Everything looks clean. The lawn has depth. The lawn has texture. The lawn has dimension. Okay, so it looks real. Neighbors stop and stare. Friends ask, who installed it? The entire yard looks transformed. Then 6 months pass, maybe even a year or two, and something starts changing. The turf doesn't have that same wow factor. The color's still there, but the fibers are still just not, they're functional, but it doesn't look the same. Most homeowners assume the turf is aging. What is actually happening is much different. Your turf is suffering from compression fatigue. Think about a mattress. When you first buy a quality mattress, it feels amazing. Overnight, it compresses, not because the mattress disappeared, not because the material failed, but because it has experienced repeated pressure. Artificial turf experiences something very similar. Every footstep, every dog, every chair, every pool party, okay, every backyard gathering is going to create compression. Over time, that compression affects the turf appearance. The FiberLift Pro was designed specially to reverse much of this visual aging process. What the FiberLift Pro actually does, many people hear the name and immediately think, oh, it's just another broom. It's not. FiberLift Pro was specifically developed to restore turf fibers that have lost their ability to stand upright. Its primary purpose is fiber rejuvenation, not debris collection, not odor control, not disinfectant, fiber restoration. And that's an important distinction, because when most people say my turf looks old, what they really mean is my fibers are laying over. Why fiber position matters, let's talk about something that most people never think about, the angle of the grass blade, right? So when fibers stand upright, several things happen. The turf looks fuller. Thicker. Definitely looks cleaner. And really more realistic. And then when it looks more realistic, then you think, wow, it looks more expensive. When fibers lay down, the exact opposite happens. You know, that the turf looks flat, matted, aged, worn, just old. And most importantly, less realistic. What's the fascinating is that the same turf can be exactly the same age. The only thing that changes is the position of the fibers. That's why fiber restoration has such a dramatic visual impact. We call this the curb appeal factor. One of the biggest benefits of the FiberLift Pro is the curb appeal. Nobody spends thousands of dollars for an average looking yard. They buy turf because they want beauty, the best yard on the block, consistency, luxury, and low maintenance. Also, you're going to get year-round aesthetics. So when fibers become matted, much of that visual appeal disappears. FiberLift Pro helps restore the appearance that attracted homeowners to artificial turf in the first place. Many clients tell us it looks like it did when it was installed after they used the FiberLift Pro. So we're going to talk about the benefits. Lifting matted fibers. This is the primary benefit. Matted fibers are the most visible sign of turf compaction. These common issues include foot traffic, The pet traffic, furniture, out there around your pool, the actual, even the pool activity, getting in and out. And then children's play area, if you have children. Then you got parties, right? So your backyard entertaining. The FiberLift Pro helps separate and lift these fibers. The result is a more natural looking surface. Benefit number 2 is improved appearance. This is where most homeowners notice the biggest difference. When fibers stand upright, excuse me, the turf gains dimension. The turf gains texture, realism, sunlight reflects differently, shadows form differently. The lawn immediately appears healthier, even though nothing green was added, right? So now you're going to have the improved drainage we've been talking about. This benefit surprises many people. Most homeowners don't even realize the fiber position affects the drainage this much, but organic material accumulates faster, and then your water movement can become restricted. Lifting these fibers help the system open and function properly. While drainage is primarily controlled by the turf backing, infill, and base, maintaining proper fiber position helps the performance. And then benefit 4 is going to, make it look real. So today's turf, people want it to look real. Many people can't tell the difference between natural grass and artificial turf from a distance, but realism depends heavily upon the fiber orientation. Natural grass stands up, healthy turf should too. FiberLift Pro helps give you that natural experience. So, one of the biggest ones is the benefit number 5, extending the life of the turf. Because artificial turf is such an investment, you got to focus on protecting it. When fibers remain matted for extended periods, you're going to have wear increases. And then debris accumulation will increase as well. Then that contains a contamination increase. Stress on the system is then going to increase. So you want regular fiber restoration. This helps reduce these issues that contribute to a longer life. And a longer turf means a greater return on your investment. Where FiberLift Pro excels is, well, let's just say the biggest impact is going to be obvious, right? Obvious application of the residential. The homeowners want their lawn to look the best year round. That FiberLift Pro is going to help maintain that healthy, freshly installed appearance of your artificial turf. And then if you have a pet boarding facility, pet turf, right? Dogs create enormous traffic, especially around the fence lines. So, they have their little, I call them patrol routes. And then the relief areas, so you're going to have store them. Now, putting greens, they require consistency. Maintaining proper fiber position contributes to both appearance and performance. Now, your commercial landscapes, businesses never get a second chance to make a first impression. Flat turf looks bad. So the FiberLift Pro is here to help, okay? So not only just commercial space, but think about the HOA areas, things that help preserve community image and property values. And then the rooftop turf. Rooftop installations often experience concentrated traffic, right? Maintaining fiber position helps preserve both appearance and the functionality. And then you got all your apartment communities with the pet parks, the mini spaces, the pool areas, all receive tremendous foot traffic. FiberLift Pro helps keep these spaces looking premium. One of my favorite ways to explain FiberLift Pro is with a luxury vehicle analogy. Imagine owning a high-end luxury car. The engine runs perfectly, transmission shifts perfectly. Mechanically, the vehicle is fine, but it hasn't been washed. The paint isn't polished. The interior hasn't been detailed. The car still functions, but it doesn't look its best. Now imagine taking that same vehicle to a professional detailer. Suddenly, the paint shines. The interior looks new. The vehicle turns head again. Nothing mechanically changed. The appearance was restored. FiberLift Pro does the exact same thing for your artificial turf. The turf may still function perfectly, but FiberLift Pro helps restore the visual experience. It helps restore the pride of ownership. It helps restore the beauty that made you fall in love with your turf in the first place. So a lot of people say, how often should you use the FiberLift Pro? Well, it just depends on traffic. Homes with dogs, maybe every 2 to 3 months. High traffic backyards, maybe every month. Commercial properties, monthly or quarterly, depending on usage. I'm sorry, guys, my allergies are bad today. Apartment communities, monthly. I think your pet facilities, I would say every 2 weeks, because combining a FiberLift Pro with other maintenance tools works as a complete, maintenance system. When combined with the Turf Power Sweep, you address debris, grooming, fiber restoration, and then you get the Turf Static Sweep, you address the detailed cleaning, pet hair, and edge maintenance that's needed. And then Turf Animal, well, that's how you're going to address the odors, the organic contamination, the static control through ZapGuard. Together, these products create a complete turf maintenance program. Okay, so here's what I want every turf owner listening to understand. Most artificial turf doesn't need replacement when it starts looking flat. It needs restoration. There is a huge difference. A flat turf is often healthy flat turf than support rejuvenation. FiberLift Pro was created specifically to address that challenge, to lift, to restore, to rejuvenate, and to protect. Commercial operators get maximum life and beauty out of their artificial turf investment if they use this, because sometimes the difference between turf that looks 5 years old and turf that looks brand new isn't replacement, it's maintenance.